paper, scissors, shoot. God. Put it down, mister. Oh, you are crazy. Piss me off, go. You just made me mad. Dude, I almost choked on my sandwich. I'm saying, did you eat it all? Let me look at the sandwich. Let me get the pepper. Oh! You can have it, dude. You can have the fries. I don't even like the fries.